Crocs. Love them or hate them. They're everywhere. But why are these rubbery, hole-filled shoes still so popular in 2025? Once considered the ultimate fashion faux pas, Crocs have somehow gone from grandma shoes to celebrity collabs and TikTok fame. So what's going on? Before we get into this video, make sure you like and subscribe. Also, I'm going to put a link in the description if you are interested in buying some Crocs and decoration charms for your shoes. First, comfort. Crocs are basically the marshmallows of footwear. Lightweight, cushioned, and super easy to slip on. People who value comfort over style, they're basically perfect. Second, nostalgia. Crocs exploded in the early 2000s, so millennials and Gen Zers grew up seeing these shoes everywhere. Wearing them now? It's retro, fun, and a little bit of a throwback. Third, customization. Jibbitz charms let you personalize Crocs with your favorite characters, symbols, or even inside jokes. Suddenly, a basic shoe becomes a canvas for self-expression. Fourth, versatility. Crocs are waterproof, easy to clean, and basically ready for anything. Beaches, gardening, hospitals, life itself. Then there's celebrity and influencer power. From Post Malone to Justin Bieber, from TikTok stars to high-fashion designers, Crocs collabs have turned them into a trendy, almost cool shoe. And finally, irony. Wearing Crocs now can be a fashion flex. They're ugly, yes, but in a way that screams confidence. I don't care what you think, I'm comfortable. People love it. Crocs survived decades of ridicule because they hit the sweet spot between comfort, nostalgia, personalization, versatility, celebrity hype, and ironic fashion. They're more than just shoes, they're a cultural icon. So, are Crocs just shoes or a lifestyle? You decide. And maybe it's time to give them a try, and don't forget, click the link in the description to order your Crocs.